Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And in today's tutorial, we are going to talk about how to convert PDFs file to the documents or to Word files. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to convert a PDF to a Word file or to Word type, we need just to convert or use some conversion tools. And there are many tools on the internet. So basically here on your web browser, just type PDF to doc or to Word and either to Word or to doc. And basically it will give you a multiple type of tools. Any tools that you are choosing will do the work. So basically, I'm just going to go with the first one, and here we are going to select the PDF file. You click, and here you need just to choose your PDF that you want to uh, convert, or you can just drag it like that. You just hold it, you go to here, and hold it here. So basically, it will convert with selectable text into editable Word files. You click on yes, and now convert to Word. And here we need just to download the Word new file. You click on download, and if we open this Word, we can start like modifying on the text, etc. And as you can see, our PDF file has been converted successfully. And basically, you can do this to any Word or to any PDF file. And if you want to make it a PDF again, all you need to do is to save it as. So go to File, Save As, and here you can save as. And here on the types, you will need just to choose PDF, sample after convert or after conversion. And let's just call it sample PDF, and we are going to take it on this PC, browse, go to the desktop, and we will have it here. And basically, we will have this as a PDF again, and we cannot edit it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.